In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag accounts in Hootsuite. Whether you're a social media manager or just someone looking to boost engagement on your social platforms, tagging accounts can be a powerful tool. It allows you to directly engage with specific users or pages, making your posts more interactive and increasing visibility. So, let's dive into how you can effortlessly tag accounts using Hootsuite in just a few simple steps. First, let's start by opening your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you're comfortable with. In the address bar, type Hootsuite and hit Enter. This will take you to the Hootsuite homepage, and if you haven't already, bookmark this page for easier access in the future. It's a small step, but it saves time down the road. Now that you're on the homepage, you'll want to log into your Hootsuite account. Click on the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, most sites, including Hootsuite, offer a simple password reset option. Keeping a password manager can also be helpful if you manage multiple accounts. When you've logged in, you'll see your Hootsuite dashboard. At this point, you're ready to start composing your post. So, go ahead and locate the Compose box, usually placed in a prominent position on the dashboard interface. This is where all the magic happens. Just think of it as your canvas for creating detailed and engaging social media content. Now that you're in the Compose box, to tag an account, you'll want to use the @ symbol. This little symbol is crucial in the social media world. It indicates that you're about to tag a specific account and will help populate a list of potential matches. Once you've added the @ symbol, start typing the username or page name of the account you wish to tag. If you're unsure about the exact name, don't worry. Hootsuite's intuitive system is designed to assist you. It generates a drop-down list of users and pages as you type, making it easier to find the right one. When the list appears, take a moment to look through the options and select the appropriate user or page by clicking on it. This action creates a mention, effectively linking the chosen account to your post. This direct link is great for catching the attention of the tagged party and, in turn, enhances the interactivity of your post. And that's it! By following these simple steps, you've successfully tagged an account in Hootsuite. Remember, tagging is a great way to acknowledge others and can significantly enhance your post's reach and engagement. Thanks for watching and happy tagging!